I'm riding along, detouring, going down the street, and we're gonna head to a number of stores, Staples, gas at Costco, and in at Costco. I'm waiting upon my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to come in, and we'll continue to see if we have those two issues with the camera. I'm waiting for Home Depot to come out with the Dapladinas soon. And look, Texas Car Wash. Unlimited wash, $39.99. So how much is it to go for a single wash? $22.95? We're turning in to Staples. I never been into a Amazon Fresh. So I'm here trying to return something to UPS. And this Staples, they don't do QR with UPS. So I go back to my local and get it done over there. Let's go on, go get gas. So we're heading out, going to go get some gas. Yonder is where I'm getting gas. Let's go fill up. We got the sound in front of us, marshland. Pretty neat, but now you don't see it. So what's the price of gas today? $2.67. We have a wagon. Ooh, look, an HRV. I got a problem. Set a lock on my camera. Off we go. I don't need something this big. Man, I had to scoot down the road to come back on the aisle. I'm looking for bags. Waste paper liners. On and on out. I'm gonna come on back. Oh, I did do what I wanted to do. Got a new car. Went inside, we shopped. Time to get on out of here and go do other things. I make a trip, get to the bagel store. This is a pumpernickel raisin. They don't got this by us. Isn't it unbelievable that you gotta travel to get what you want? Man, it's good. Want a bite? That car's been up there for a long period of time. We're on a little detour for the reasons of there's construction on the main road. So all roads lead to somewhere, right? We're riding along the main path. And yeah, this is just the back roads. Go down to the train station. I could turn down here, come out by the light. I missed the train. I'm not gonna make it. And there goes the train. While the train goes, I gotta wait for my light. We're gonna ride down, just see what's available. Should be water up ahead that I could park the car and go see. There are days that I would come over here and go to the park, go hang out. I'm gonna go by the bridge, see what it looks like. So I'm gonna walk on that one side that doesn't have the little, arches, so I can see what's over the bridge. I could cross over, be on the separate bridge, see what it looks like. I'll do that when I well, so here we are. A couple of bridges across. Yeah, man, isn't that nice? Laying down the deck in the distance. So let's get across to the other side and see what that looks like. You're curious what this place is called? Habour Island. Let's turn around, go across the other end. All right, so I had my little walk, little tour. Let's get on going. Turn the camera slowly around, nice slow pan. This way you can see this side. Oh, don't let that sun thing hit you in the eyes, man. All right, where's he barking from? Can you see? There he is. No swimming, fishing from this side of the bridge. So you get to go to the other side of the bridge and go fishing and swimming, right? Let's get on going. So we're riding along where the water was at on the left-hand side. We'll head on down and get to where we need to be at. Oh man, just bring back the little memories. Well, little private beach. I'm at a dead end. This is where the water comes out. And then you just head on out to where you need to be at. That is neat. Well, yeah, so now you know where I'm at. By the water's edge. Well, I got water to do an RC boat. Yeah, come out here with the boat, go have some fun, go play a little. So let's get on out of here and get on going.